Welcome to 2025. I can't believe it. Here we are, Crystal Clean, continuing to grow, 43 plus years in business. I'm standing in the new part of the Naples office because we've had to expand already. We've doubled the size in Naples for Crystal Clean because we continue to gain good new clients, and we really appreciate that. It's been in every category. We know the common area cleaning. We continue to grow that facet of our business, which has been our mainstay. We want to keep cleaning the common areas of Southwest Florida. We also continue to grow in the post-construction cleaning category, and that of course allows us to grow our other services where we're doing more pressure washing, more floor service cleaning, more window washing. If any of these things stand out and you need some assistance or would like to get a quote from Crystal Clean, go to our website cleaningnaplesfl.com or check out giving us a call at our new Naples number, 239-206-8877. We'd be happy to talk to you. We definitely would like to schedule an opportunity to visit with you, see if maybe there are things you could also improve along the way. If you want to talk with us about things that haven't been quite right, once you contact us, maybe we could set up a visit. You know, we find that by coming out and checking out what you have on site, talking together, we can start to work a little bit of a strategy together, and of course if it goes into proposals and the opportunity to work together, we certainly are very open to that. We've been finding that here in Southwest Florida, coming off the hurricane seasons and now we're up to just being in season, right? People have come back down to Southwest Florida, and therefore the common area living. More people, they like to see things neat and clean, and of course that's important. When they get to their residence down in Southwest Florida, they don't want to see a buildup outside of their doors. They don't want to see unclean facilities when they get to the country club. So we want to be able to assist you with that. And we have more new cleaners as we've been hiring very aggressively, trying to find people with good work experience and good work ethic. As we have Crystal Clean University, we are always working on training our staff so they know how to maintain your common areas for your own health and safety and security, and so that you can come down here and not worry about it. Enjoy Southwest Florida. Another area that we've expanded is our post-construction cleaning. In fact, we're just coming away from, today we'll finalize the cleaning at Fiddler's Creek Country Club, a new area on the very back end of Deep South Naples. Very nice, beautiful country club. We look forward to seeing it up and running. To tell you a little bit more about our process with post-construction cleaning, we always categorize on the front end that there'll be a rough clean, go in and really try to get the rough things knocked out early, the really deep dust that's hanging out and the caulk and the paint and the splatter. So a rough clean to start, but then quickly go into what we just kind of call a final clean. And that particular phase will last longer. In a case like a full country club, it's lasted probably 6-7 weeks, where we go through and methodically clean everything top to bottom, wiping off the chandelier bulbs down to, of course, the restrooms, the locker rooms, the kitchens, the clubhouse, everything in total, so that now it's ready for everyone to start enjoying. From there, we always have a final walkthrough, a bit of an inspection process, and typically we'll find things that maybe do a little bit of a touch-up. So we just kind of call it a final touch-up clean and a sign-off. That process has been working very well for us. So if you'd like to reach out and find out a little bit more on your own, please check out our website, cleaningnaplesfl.com, or just give me a call, 239-936-7700. I'm Jeff. I would love to talk to you.